before user able to agree that I want to check a password, I make a text box and label. Let's say password for label. Password colon. Okay. A bit larger, and password here. And we could disable that, but I want to make it hide, because if user cannot see, so cannot enable, then cannot continue. And add another command button here for check the password. Let's continue. Let's say check password. Okay. And very simple password. I want to say if textbox 1.text equal to 123, doesn't matter if I add inside of double quotations or not, because anyway by default it is a string. 123. Then checkbox 1 dot visible equal true. And we could say else hide it, doesn't matter, but because we're trying to not make complex, I'm gonna finish it. And because it could be in one line, I could actually remove and make something like that. And of course, we need to make it hide. So select it and find the visible and make it false here. Okay, let's run it. Type mismatch. What's happening if I click on debug? You will see it is empty, and because it's empty, gonna gives error. We could use actually val for checking the numbers, but here, because as I mentioned before, empty does not mean 0, and because we are comparing with the numeral one, you have to add double quotations to compare as a string. Now let's try. Nothing. AB, nothing. 1, 2, 3, 4, nothing. But if I set 1, 2, 3 and click, there it is. Enable. Now I could enable or disable that and continue.